This is the quick all you need to know review of this 4-piece extra soft toothbrushes. This is my second time buying this pack. I love hosting guests and I always want to have fresh toothbrushes for them. When I get toothbrushes, I'm looking for high quality, functionality, and style. I really like the minimalistic and chic look of these. So the pack come in 2 white and 2 black toothbrushes. They all have these super soft bristles. I think they work great for every type of teeth. The bristles are wave shape, which makes it easier to get everywhere in all the corners of your mouth. The back of the brush have a texture which can be used as a tongue scraper. I was a little worried that these super soft bristles would be too soft, but since there are 2,000 bristles, I feel like it really does the job even though it's very soft. And it's definitely comfortable for the gums. I also use these toothbrushes as travel toothbrushes. They are easy to bring, very lightweight, and aesthetically pleasing. I am really happy with this purchase and I will keep buying them for my guests. And you can definitely buy these with confidence.